Krishna, Mike.
Krishna! Lagyan natin!
Krishna. Krishna also dito. O, palagay kami ng Mike.
Ayan. Alright. Okay. Okay, Krishna natin.
Lapit ka, Krishna. Krishna, lapit ka.
Higit na. Yes.
So, yan, yung next is here. Akala ko magkakisa sila dun sa baba. Akala ko ba nagkisa din siya sa baba?
Yes.
Krishna.
Yeah, dito naman sa side na Mare.
Krishna here. Krishna here. Krishna. Krishna. Here is Krishna. Krishna sisir. Nakaharap na siya dito sa atin.
Where's Krishna? Bali ka naman. Krishna, what's your
Hello, Krishna. Welcome to the
How was your flight now, Krishna?
How was my flight? It was very smooth. And I would like to say thank you to Philippine Airlines for the accommodation. Sobrang inalagaan talaga nila all throughout my flight. Hindi naman siya long flight. It was 3 hours of flight. But anyway, I did my makeup there and I changed there. And I'm just really happy to be here, to be back home and see all of you.
Krishna, what was your reaction when you heard that you are the Miss World Asia 2025?
Nako, I don't know. That moment, talagang pure happiness, pure bliss. I was feeling very happy and grateful na nakarating tayo sa punto ko. I wasn't expecting anything. And now that we are here, I just know that this is just the fruit of everything that we've put into this journey. Thank you so much. Salamat.
Krishna, what's next for you now?
Nako, what's next for me? Nako, I will continue my studies and I will fulfill my dream to be a civil engineer in the first civil
Are you excited for your parade?
Sorry.
Are you excited for your parade?
Sobrang excited na ako. Of course, sobrang excited ako to see everyone.
Invite them, Krishna.
Okay, back then.
Right.
Yes.
So, everyone's very
Okay, parade is on Saturday at 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
Where?
Mall of Asia.
Ah,
Krishna.
Saturday, this Saturday. This Saturday.
Krishna. Ito tayo here.
7, June 7.
Krishna here.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow na yung parade.
Ano pa ngayon? Friday na.
Friday na. Tomorrow.
Krishna. Krishna here.
Krishna.
Picture na lang na magkakaroon mo ba ng travel along with Topal and others?
Yes, we were informed that we will have trips together, and I believe a few countries will invite the continental winners and the Miss World winner to visit their countries and to do collaborations for community projects there. So I can't wait for that. So excited!
Thank you, Krishna.
Your message.
Your message.
Oh, your message
to all the
na lang.
Italian fans.
Teka. Okay, well done.
Sige, sige.
Okay. Hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go, Krishna.
Sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, sa lahat ng mga kababayan kong Pilipino, maraming salamat po. From the bottom of my heart, I wouldn't be here without all of your love and support. And this is just the fusion of everything that we've poured into our love, our care for the entire Philippines, our bayanihan spirit. So this is a victory that is meant to be shared to each and every one of you. And I dedicate this to every one of you. Kaya maraming salamat po. I can wait to celebrate that.
Miss World Asia!
Okay, thank you. Tagalagin natin yung mga mic. Tagalagin natin yung mga mic. Tagalagin natin yung mga mic. Mga mic daw.
Miss World, bakit merong
Mars,
Salamat sa pag-reply.
Mars, nakakabit ka meron yan sa, sa likod. Meron yan sa likod. Ayan. Thank you, Mars.
Tama na, J. Barbo. Photo.
Against sa ano?
Pagkita ko muna, rotate ka na lang.
Rotate.
Rotate ka na lang.
Krishna here. Yan naman. Krishna here.
Sabi naman,
Krishna here.
Ito naman.
Krishna here.
One more, Krishna. Ganda. Perfect.
Krishna here.
Kulang pa yung tawag.
Krishna here.
Wait lang po sabi.
Krishna dito.
Krishna one here. Thank you.
On the 7th.
Krishna.
Krishna
Krishna dito.
Yara.
Nandun sa bagay.
Presto na lang.
Yes. oo.
Kung kami grad.
Krishna way.
Krishna, wait here.
Thank you.
Wait, Krishna here. Perfect. Mga boy,
The favorite experience ko talaga every time we have our breakfast with the candidates kasi that's the time that we always share stories with each other. I always find sometimes weird things about them and silly things about them, but it's always the meaningful conversations that I share with my sister. And yeah, and medyo sad na I won't be, medyo may setback sa current house. It's been a whole month of, sharing each day with them, but I'm really happy to get to know them. I cannot even word it out, but I'm really grateful to this title. That's so much more than just this title. This title is for the entire Philippines, for our dreams and hopes and our aspirations. So I cannot wait to maximize this title. Inspire young women as well.
The message to the netizens about you, the voting.
Maraming salamat po sa unconditional support. Grabe nakakagulat na umabot talaga ng millions yung engagement. But it just shows how we love projects, how we love this platform. And I hope that we continue to support not only me, but the entire project community and everything we will represent our
Enjoy your title. Love you.
Congratulations!
Dito may light kasi.
Okay po.
Okay, ready? Okay. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations again, Krishna.
What is your significance being the Miss World Asia 2025?
What is my significance?
Yes.
I believe this title means so much more than just the title. This title is not only a pride of our country, but it is a stepping stone for us and for our charity organization to be more elevated. And that is one of the reasons why I joined Miss World, because I love the vision of Miss World. I love the platform of Miss World. I love the journey of being a candidate of Miss World. And to have this title, Miss World Asia, I believe that we've come to a point that College of Open Kindness is more known. And a lot of people are aware of our process, and that is something that is really I am grateful for. Kaya right now I'm just really excited to see what's gonna happen next, and I cannot wait to maximize this time. Thank you so much.
See you sa press conference.
See you at the parade and
See you at the
press
parade.
See you sa press con.
Yes, this coming Saturday, I think it's June 7 at
Mall of Asia,
4
girl.
p.m. at Mall of Asia. I'll see you there, and let's celebrate this victory. For
Yes! Minsan lang tayo magka-top.
Invite mo din sila dito sa side.
Ayan.
Ayan na.
Sa mga kababayan ko po, makita-kita po tayo sa MOA Mall of Asia this coming Saturday, June 7 at 4 p.m. to celebrate this title. Maraming salamat po.
Krishna, Krishna. Intro lang, intro.
Intro. Okay ba ba yung face ko? Okay. Alright.
Right, 1, 2, 3, go!
Krishna Marie Gravides from the Philippines, Miss World Asia! One more. Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Krishna Marie Gravides from the Philippines, Miss World Asia! Thank you very much.
See you, Krishna.
Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Miss World Philippines.
Yeah. Take a good rest.
Yes, sleep well, rest well.
Rest well.
Kayo din.
Drink more water.
Stay hydrated.
See you on the parade. See you on the press con. Wala, pero kami na.
Ayan.
Congrats, mother. Congrats, mother. Mother, congrats. Ano po message nyo sa inyong anak?
Congrats. Wala siyang masabi. Wala akong masabi, pero good job na. Naibangon mo yung Pilipinas. Naitayo mo. Nailaban mo yung Pilipinas para sa Pilipinas.
Yay! She deserves. Deserve naman po. Well deserved. Yes. Yung po nasa likod, excuse lang po muna. Yeah, para may moment kayo mag-ina.
Mami, araw-araw po ba kayo nag-uusap sa India?
Ay, opo. Araw-araw siya nag-update sa akin. Kung ano yung mga ganap niya everyday. Tapos nagsisend ng outfit. Yun. Hindi naman nakakalimot. Everyday siya.
What was nakausap niyo po ba siya nung finals night? Ano po message niyo sa kanya
Oh,
before
yes.
she stepped on the stage?
Last message ko sa kanya, pray lang lang, enjoy. Enjoy mo yung moment. Yun lang.
Tapos siya yung una kong tinawagan after finals, nung pabalik na kami ng hotel, tapos umiiyak siya ng bongga.
Oh. Ano sabi mo sa kanya?
Sabi ko, we did it. Sabi ko, ito na yung pinagdasal natin ever since I was a child, ever since I was 6 years old. So kasi talaga yung nag-push sa akin. And siya yung nag-hair and makeup sa akin. Tapos ngayon na nandito na kami, this is, Mama is a huge part of it. And I think she's the biggest reason why I am here.
Thank you!
So for sure, mas kinakabahan si mother during the announcement.
Parang hindi kinakabahan, parang hindi daw siya makahinga.
Yung message niya sa akin, laban tayo ma, huwag kang umiyak ha. Yun yung last message niya.
Mami, ano yung pinaka-prayer mo sa kanya? Nung parang, ano yung lakas na kailangan ni Krishna nung time na yun? Ano yung pinaka-pinagdasal mo?
Ang pinagdarasal ko nun, sana kuha niya yung syempre yung crown.
Crown, yes.
Yung crown. Kasi for the past few years, like ilang taon na after Megan. So, syempre, karangalan ng Pilipinas, karangalan natin lahat.
Anong katangian ni Krishna ang may magmamalaki niyo talaga sa buong mundo?
Sobrang bait, down to earth, at wala ka talagang makitang artist katawan niya. As
Ngayon,
in,
meron na kayong anak ng Miss World Asia 2025. Gano'n kayo ka-proud?
super duper proud. As in, super proud na mama.
At proud din kami sa inyo kasi nilaban niyo talaga sa Krishna.
Congrats, Krishna.
Congrats, Krishna!
Congrats,
See you on the parade. Bye-bye! Ayun na! Go na daw, go na daw.
See you sa
Go na, go na.
Magpapahinga na si Krishna.
Bye! See you sa Barangka. Congratulations! Congratulations!